Hey, so what's up guys, welcome, and today we're gonna be unboxing this new device from Infinix Mobile. So this is the Infinix HOT 10T, one of the devices in the Infinix HOT series that we are seeing Infinix launching this year. This is actually the second device from Infinix, this year, and Infinix is calling it the Infinix HOT 10T, all splashed here. So yeah, we're gonna be looking at this device. Let's see, there are some specs splashed here. So it's a 128 GB of internal storage. Then we are getting some 4 gigs of RAM. The battery capacity is 5000 milliamperes. It's an Android 11 device. Then the front camera is 8 megapixels. The rear camera is 48 megapixels. That's the main camera. Then of course the processor is the Helio G70. Yeah, it's a 6.8 HD ultra smooth display device. And yeah, a number of interesting specs, including a facial and fingerprint unlock. Yeah, so Infinix is launching this device in a couple of days or months. I'm not sure about the exact launch date, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox and basically show you what you get in the box. So yes, let's go ahead and unbox the Infinix HOT 10T. Yeah, so there we go, and the first thing you see here is the phone itself with a highlight of the specs splashed here. Remember, as you said, it's a 48 megapixel triple what is Infinix saying? Yes, 48 megapixel triple camera super 9scape. The Helio G70, a 6.8 HD ultra smooth display, 5000 milliamperes. Yeah, so that's the first thing you see, the phone itself. So we're gonna just not sure what color this is, not sure Infinix is calling this color. Let's see. We can't see the name splashed here. Yeah, so there you go, that's the Infinix HOT 10T. Let's see what you have further in the box. You have the SIM ejector pin right here. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. Welcome to join X Club. For a moment I thought it was some money. Yeah, then we have the X-Pack registration process manual here. Then we have a screen protector right here. Then we have these plastic case. We put that aside. This is the USB cable. It's not a Type-C. Disappointment. Then we have the charging brick right here. There you go. Then a pair of earphones. So the accessories are not really that different from what we have seen on all previous Infinix devices. So there you go, that's the 6.8 HD display right there. Then at the bottom you have the USB port, some speakers, and the headphone jack right here at the bottom. Yeah, then right here on the left you have your slot, your SIM card slot. Then right here you have the volume and power buttons located right here. At the back you have the main camera and a fingerprint scanner. then some Infinix branded text right here at the bottom. Yeah, basically that's what you get on this phone. Remember, as we said, Infinix plans to launch this device anytime soon in the market. Nothing about the pricing has been mentioned yet, but we definitely make sure we include all the other details that we need to know about the Infinix HOT 10 in the description section, including a link to the specs sheet. So yes, that's it for this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching.